Do you believe your life can change in the next 60 days?
In Kigali, Rwanda, life is extremely beautiful.
In a country where 133 million people are multidimensionally poor, yet a striking paradox emerges as a lot of Nigerians are making money daily and living the best of their lives through the instrumentality of their smartphone or laptop. Imagine having enough money to pay for all your bills. Imagine having enough money to take care of your parents and loved ones. Imagine having enough time and financial resources to travel around the world and visit places of your dream. All thanks to this powerful secret machine which has transformed the lives of several Africans with little or zero experience, no expertise, even without being tech savvy. The powerful secret is called the Ultimate Money Machine Program. The Ultimate Money Machine Program is the $10,000 secret to build a profitable online business that makes you $100 or more weekly, even as a complete newbie. If you watch this video to the end, I'll be explaining some simple terms like what is affiliate marketing, why affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme, the differences between affiliate marketing and network marketing, and how to get started with affiliate marketing. You would also want to learn how this 17-year-old Joshua Ndekwe became a millionaire and got his first car, Toyota Camry. Also, how this young 20-year-old Abiodun Damilola got his first car, even as a student. Also, how Mrs. Rofia, a sit-at-home mother, won her first Toyota Camry. Toby at DPC, a youth corper serving at Sokoto, won a car and also an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Esther Okamaka, a student of University of Nigeria, Nsukka, became a car owner. Yeah, truly, the Ultimate Money Machine has changed a lot of lives. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when someone tells their friends about a cool product or service they like, and if their friends buy it because of their recommendation, the person who recommended it gets a small reward or commission. So it's like sharing a yummy cookie with your friend, and if they like it and want more, you get a little piece of cake as a thank you. Why affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme? Now, I know some of you might be skeptical, wondering if affiliate marketing is just another Ponzi scheme. Let me assure you, it's not. Ponzi schemes rely on recruiting new members and using their investments to pay off existing members. In affiliate marketing, you are not investing money or relying on recruitment. You aid money by generating sales and driving value to both the product creators and the customers. Affiliate marketing versus network marketing. Another misconception is that affiliate marketing is the same as network marketing. Now, while both involve earning commissions, network marketing usually requires you to build a theme and recruit others. In affiliate marketing, your success depends solely on your efforts. You can work independently, focus on promoting products you genuinely believe in, and there are no limits on how much you can earn. So, before I show you how to get started, I would like you to listen to people like you who have used the Ultimate Money Machine program.
My name is Olashumaiwa Abdelkoyum, and I'm a top affiliate on Digisten. I want to use this medium to thank all the CEO of Digisten for creating these amazing platforms that pays with affiliates in dollars. I was a broke 400-year-old student earning barely 40k monthly before I stumbled upon the Ultimate Money Machine course by Digisten. This course actually transformed my life, and I moved from 40k monthly to earning over $2,000 in just a month, which is equivalent to 1 million naira in Nigerian currency, even more than that. This was possible because I took the risk to get the course, and the risk I took actually transformed my life totally. All right. If you're a newbie to marketing or you don't even know anything about marketing before, you are even new to online business, the Ultimate Money Machine by Digistem is the best course for you to get started and start making millions online. If anyone can actually tell me that I can be making millions with my smartphone, just a few months back, I will call the person a blatant liar, and I will even say to the person's face, actually, my story was changed because of you in a course. My advice to you is that you should get this Ultimate Money Machine course as quickly as possible, because your life is going to be changed and transformed totally with this course. Thank you once again. My name is Olashumayo.
Hello, my name is Okeke Vivian. I am a secondary school teacher and also a mother. I got to know about affiliate marketing Digistem through a friend. I got registered through the Ultimate Money Machine and started implementing what I've learned from the Ultimate Money Machine. From the day I started, which is October 2022 to November 2022, I've made close to $2,000. And my dear, from that day till today, I have been withdrawing every Saturday. Ultimate Money Machine really changed a lot for me, because then I was earning 15K as a secondary school teacher. But when I started this business, when I joined the affiliate marketing Digistem, everything changed. I started withdrawing every Saturday. And also, this Ultimate Money Machine has everything it takes to boost your sales. If you want to boost your sales in all your businesses, or you want to make money online, get the Ultimate Money Machine. If I can do it as a mother, then you too can do more better. Okay, I will show you a few of my testimonies so that you will see that Ultimate Money Machine by Digistem really changed a lot for me. I am thankful to Digistem for providing such an opportunity to help people that doesn't know where to start in life, and also to help us in this economy so that we too can make money online. Thank you.
My name is Shashi Ogike, and I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Digistem. Alright, thank you so much to Digistem for transforming my life. Okay, I'm one of the many Nigerians, or even many people in this world, that Digistem is constantly transforming their lives. Okay, so I started Digistem, affiliate marketing on Digistem September last year, and I've made over 2 million naira in pure commission. 2 million naira have been paid to me in pure commission, and all of this was made possible through the Ultimate Money Machine course. Okay, so the Ultimate Money Machine course is going to teach you exactly how to start affiliate marketing and profit from it. So there's a step-by-step guide. It's also going to teach you high income digital skills like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, content marketing, email marketing, a whole lot more. Okay, so if you have not gotten started on affiliate marketing on Digistem, this is the opportunity for you. The Ultimate Money Machine course has the potential to transform your life. I think you shouldn't miss on this. Okay, so you need to get started now, get started immediately, so that your financial life can also be transformed. See ya.
So now we'll be looking at examples of affiliate networks. Now the first one is Digistem, and this is Digistem. This is ClickBank, Conga. We have Ledoflix, we have Espania, and we have Jumia, and we have a lot of them. All these affiliate marketing platforms are good, but I'll be talking about Digistem affiliate platform. Now Digistem affiliate platform is a platform where you can earn in dollars, and you can do this with your smartphone and your data. And the beauty of Digistem is that it is very affordable for you to get started. So for one that wants to start, you don't need to pay huge amount of money. It's quite affordable to get started. So I'm going to be talking about 2 ways of getting started on Digistem, because I believe that right now you might be asking, how do I get started? So there are 2 ways to get started. Now the first method, which is not the best method, is just to go on digistem.com and you sign up as an affiliate, and all you just need to do is to pay just $10 only to register as an affiliate. Why? The second method, which is the best. Now for the first method, you won't have access to a course that will teach you affiliate marketing. Secondly, you won't even have access to a support group to guide you to succeed, right? And thirdly, when you are promoting the Ultimate Machine course, which I'll be talking about, if you are coming in through the first method, you will only be getting 25% per sale, which is not that good, right? Let me talk about the second method of getting started. So this is the second method. The second method is by getting the Ultimate Money Machine course. Okay, so let's look at what you get when you invest in the Ultimate Money Machine program. Now the first thing you'll be getting is the 7-figure mindset to successfully build a profitable business that will make you steady commissions every week. Now the second one is you're going to be getting the step-by-step framework to make your first sale in less than 21 days. The third one, you're going to be learning how to generate massive quality leads on Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp. You're going to be doing this like a magician. It's very easy. You just need to know the practical steps. Now the fourth one is an easy way to find a crowd of people ready to follow you and buy from you, even if you don't have your own product. Now the fifth one is how to build a landing page with your smartphone. The sixth one is done for you. Copy headlines for writing, copy and content. The seventh one is how to pick a hot product that has lasting solution to 80% of your prospects' problems. The eighth one is the secret objection handling formula that takes money from the pocket of your clients without having to beg or force them. The ninth one is how to run converting ads on Facebook and Instagram like a pro with your smartphone. And exclusive, you're going to be learning the secrets to generate surefire content for your business in less than 5 minutes. You'll also be learning how to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine, and you'll be learning the easiest funnel to convert your prospects to buyers in less than 14 days. But wait, there is still more. Okay, so if you take action before the next 24 hours, you also receive this action bonuses. Now the first bonus is how to start a YouTube channel that pays you in dollars monthly with your smartphone, and the retail value is around $49.99. that's around $50. Now the second one is a business professional tools used by top marketers. You're going to get access to these tools: auto save contact, autoresponders pro, marketing video maker, extract contact tools, phone book messenger tools, logo maker pro, and GIF maker pro. You'll be getting them, and the value is around $52.50. Now the third bonus is you're going to be learning how to build fantastic looking web pages without using any code, and you're going to be mastering the act of using the Elementor page builder. Now the retail value for this is $52.50. So the fourth bonus is access to our Telegram support group, where we'll be having our 7-figure weekly calls, and the retail value is around $199.99 so $199.99, so that's roughly 200. Now
This one's for free. A friend Dave is giving a mouth-watering training on how to make money by selling websites, designing services to businesses even without knowing how to create a simple web page. Here is another free stuff you'll be getting. You'll be learning how to create your own PLL site with over 25,000 plus PLL products and start making thousands of dollars monthly without even owning a site. That juicy stuff you'll be getting is 10 done for you websites with templates and tutorials.
Altogether, these bonuses retail for one night, that's roughly 200, but if you act now, you're going to be getting them for free. You'll be getting all these bonuses that I mentioned here. You'll be getting them for free if you act right now, from now to the next 24 hours. Here's a brief summary of what you'll be getting. The ultimate money machine, valued at $120, that's around 60,000 naira. The smart YouTube monetization course is valued at $49.9, that's 25,000 naira. The business professional tools by top marketers, valued at $52.5, that's around 26,250 naira. Building fantastic looking web pages without using any code is valued at $52.50, that's 26,250 naira. A 7-figure support group or weekly calls is valued at $200, that's around 100,000 naira. And you also be getting a free DigiStem affiliate 1-year account, so the total value is around $475, that's roughly 207,500 naira. So altogether, the ultimate money machine and all the accompanying bonuses total out to a value of $475. That's 237,500. But if you act now, before the next 7 days, you're going to get everything for just $40. That is 20,050 naira only. Alright, so here's how to make payment. Kindly reach out to the person who gave you this video. If you have any question, ask under the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great day.